Get this. Apple Music saw a huge, like 1,000% spike in spatial audio use in just 1 year.
Wow.
That tells you people are really hungry for these like immersive experiences. And guess what's fueling this whole audio revolution?
What?
AI.
Of course, AI.
If you're as fascinated by AI as we are, hit that subscribe button to keep up with all the latest breakthroughs.
It really highlights how AI is like reshaping the whole creative landscape.
Yes.
It's not just about, cool tech. It's about how we create and how we analyze and how we experience everything from, movies to music.
So like AI is this incredible toolkit for artists and creators.
Exactly. And today we're diving into that toolkit.
Okay.
Unpacking some powerful AI technologies like transformers, LLMs, diffusion models, and INRs.
Okay, I'm already intrigued, but those are some pretty complex terms.
Yeah.
Can you break them down for me?
Absolutely. Think of them as like the building blocks of the AI revolution.
Okay.
Let's start with transformers.
Okay.
They're like master code breakers, deciphering the relationships between words and sentences.
Huh.
It's how they power things like super realistic voice clones and those chatbots that almost feel human.
So it's like they're learning the language of language.
Precisely. Now, LLMs, or large language models, are like the master storytellers.
Okay.
They've been trained on massive amounts of text data, enabling them to write scripts, articles, even social media posts.
I've heard of ChatGPT. Is that powered by LLMs?
Got it. ChatGPT, along with platforms like Dramatron, which helps writers generate entire screenplays,
Wow.
are all leveraging the power of LLMs.
Huh.
These models are revolutionizing how we write and consume content, even in journalism.
Wow. It seems like AI is making a splash everywhere.
It is.
But it's not just about words, right?
Right.
What about music?
AI is hitting all the right notes there, too.
Okay.
We're seeing AI compose full songs, create realistic voice clones, and even change how we experience music with spatial audio, like what Apple Music is pioneering.
That 1,000% increase in spatial audio use suddenly makes a lot more sense. What about visuals? I've seen some mind-blowing AI-generated art online.
You're talking about the realm of AI image generation, and it's exploding with creativity.
Yeah.
Tools like DLE3, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion are allowing people to create art simply by describing what they envision.
So I could literally type a cat riding a unicorn through a rainbow galaxy and get an image of that.
Exactly.
Wow.
These tools can generate photorealistic images, surreal landscapes, you name it, and they don't stop there.
Oh.
They can even edit existing images, adding elements, or expanding the frame in ways we never thought possible.
It's like having an AI art assistant that can bring your wildest imagination to life.
It really is.
What about video and animation? Is AI making its mark there too?
Absolutely. Platforms like Pika Labs are enabling text-to-video generation.
Wow.
Meaning you can type in a scene description and have AI bring it to life.
Wow.
Make A Animation even uses AI to transform simple drawings into 3D animations.
Wow, that's incredible. So it's like AI is taking the reins in animation and filmmaking.
It's certainly changing the game.
Yeah.
It's giving animators and filmmakers powerful new tools to bring their stories to life. And speaking of bringing things to life, AI is also making waves in the world of augmented and virtual reality.
I've heard so much about AR and VR.
Mm.
How is AI enhancing those experiences?
AI is playing a key role in generating realistic 3D content for AR, VR, and MR, mixed reality.
Okay.
Tools like Holodeck and Real Fusion are making text to 3D and image to 3D a reality.
Huh.
Imagine building entire virtual worlds simply by describing them.
That sounds like something straight out of science fiction. It's mind-blowing to think about the possibilities.
It really is a game changer.
Yeah.
And it's not just about creating content.
Right.
AI is also becoming a powerhouse when it comes to analyzing and understanding visual information.
Okay, I'm all ears. What can AI do in that department?
Imagine you're working on a film project and you need to isolate a specific object in a scene.
Okay.
AI can help you do that with a technique called segmentation. It's like giving AI X-ray vision to identify and separate different elements in an image or video.
So it's like having an AI editor that can cut out exactly what you need.
Exactly. And this segmentation capability has huge implications for 3D reconstruction, visual effects, and even things like security systems.
Wow, I'm seeing how AI is touching every aspect of the creative process.
It is.
But I have a question.
Okay.
We've talked about AI creating content.
Yeah.
But what about AI actually understanding what it's looking at?
Right.
Is that possible?
That's a great question, and the answer is a resounding yes.
Okay.
AI is getting incredibly good at detecting and recognizing objects, people, and even emotions in visual content. This has applications in everything from object tracking in films to facial recognition technology.
It's fascinating how AI is mirroring human capabilities in so many ways.
It is.
So if AI can recognize a face, can it also track its movements?
Absolutely. Techniques like trackformer and mixformer are revolutionizing object tracking, allowing AI to effortlessly follow moving objects through even the most complex scenes.
It's like AI has developed a sixth sense for visual tracking.
It has.
What about 3D reconstruction?
Right.
Can AI turn 2D images into 3D models?
It can. We've already touched on some tools that do that, but let's dive a little deeper.
Okay.
AI is revolutionizing the world of 3D with technologies like neural radiance fields or NERFs.
NERFs, what are those?
Think of NERFs as AI magicians.
Oh.
They can create photorealistic 3D scenes from just a handful of 2D images.
Wow.
It's like they're stitching together different perspectives to create a complete three-dimensional world.
That's incredible. I'm imagining the possibilities for VR and AR experiences.
Exactly. And then there's Gaussian splatting, a technique that allows for high-quality, real-time rendering of 3D scenes.
So it's like AI is becoming the architect of virtual worlds.
It's a powerful analogy.
Yeah.
And let's not forget about the impact AI is having on data compression with the explosion of digital content. We need ways to make those huge files smaller without sacrificing quality.
That makes sense. How is AI addressing this challenge?
AI is stepping in with intelligent algorithms that analyze data and identify patterns that can be exploited to reduce file sizes.
Okay.
We're seeing this in image, video, and audio compression, making our digital lives a whole lot more efficient.
It's like AI is becoming the Marie Kondo of the digital world,
I love that.
tidying up our data and making it spark joy.
Yes, and finally, AI is even stepping into the role of a quality judge.
You mean like an art critic?
Exactly. AI algorithms can now assess the visual quality of images and videos,
Okay.
identifying factors like sharpness, color accuracy, and noise levels that contribute to perceived quality.
That's fascinating. So it's like having an AI assistant that can tell you how good your visuals actually look.
Exactly. This has implications for everything from photography and filmmaking to video game development and medical imaging.
Wow. It's incredible to see how AI is impacting every stage of the creative process.
Yeah.
From content creation to analysis and even quality control. It's like we're witnessing a paradigm shift in how we create and experience the world around us.
It truly is a remarkable time for creativity, and this is just the beginning. We'll delve into even more fascinating applications of AI in the next part of our deep dive. It's like we've opened this incredible treasure chest of AI tools, and there's still so much more to explore.
I'm ready for more. What other AI wonders are in store for us?
Well, let's talk about how AI is helping us understand not just the content itself, but how audiences connect with it.
Ooh, that's interesting. So we're going beyond the creation process and into the realm of audience analysis.
Exactly. AI can analyze how people are reacting to creative content, giving creators valuable insights.
Okay.
Think about sentiment analysis, for example.
Sentiment analysis, what's that?
It's AI's way of reading between the lines.
Okay.
Imagine you're a filmmaker and you want to gauge audience reactions to your movie. AI can analyze things like social media comments and reviews
Okay.
to understand the emotional tone and opinions being expressed.
So it's like having an AI focus group that can tell you what people really think?
That's a great way to put it.
Huh.
It's a powerful tool for gauging audience reactions, identifying trends, and even informing marketing strategies.
Wow.
And speaking of finding what you need, AI is also revolutionizing how we search and discover content.
Even like those recommendation algorithms we see on streaming services?
Those are definitely part of it, but it goes beyond just suggesting movies or music.
Right.
AI is transforming how we search for information, images, and even specific scenes within videos.
That sounds incredibly useful,
Yeah.
especially with the sheer amount of content available these days. How does AI make searching smarter?
One of the key concepts here is generative retrieval, or GR.
GR.
Unlike traditional retrieval methods that rely on separate indexing and ranking systems,
Yeah.
GR uses a single AI model to understand your query and directly retrieve the most relevant results.
So it's like having an AI research assistant that can pinpoint exactly what you're looking for.
Exactly. And this applies to all kinds of content, text, images, videos, you name it.
Wow.
Companies like Google are already using GR to power their search engines, making it easier than ever to find what you need in this vast sea of information.
That's amazing. It's like having an AI that can read your mind and anticipate your needs.
Well, we're not quite there yet, but AI assistants are certainly becoming more sophisticated.
Right.
And speaking of assistants, They're not just helping us find information.
Yeah.
They're also changing the way we interact with technology.
You mean like those voice assistants we have on our phones and smart speakers?
Those are a great example.
Yeah.
But it goes beyond just setting alarms or playing music.
Okay.
AI-powered assistants are becoming more conversational and helpful thanks to the advancements in LLMs.
So they're becoming more human-like in their interactions.
That's the goal.
Yeah.
And while they're not perfect yet, we're seeing some impressive progress. These AI assistants are being used in a variety of ways, from providing customer service to offering educational support and even acting as companions.
It's fascinating to see how AI is blurring the lines between human and machine interaction.
It is.
But let's get back to the creative side of things.
Okay.
We've talked about how AI is changing content creation and analysis.
Yeah.
But what about the post-production process?
Yes, the magic of post-production.
Right.
This is where AI is really shining,
Okay.
helping to enhance, refine, and polish creative work in ways we never thought possible.
I'm ready for some behind-the-scenes AI action.
Okay.
What kind of tricks can AI pull off in post-production?
Let's start with enhancement.
Okay.
Imagine you're a filmmaker working with footage shot in low-light conditions.
Right.
It's grainy, noisy, and the details are hard to see.
Not exactly ideal for a cinematic masterpiece, right?
Not quite. But this is where AI steps in with techniques like SNR-aware.
SNR.
It cleverly analyzes the signal-to-noise ratio in different parts of the image and selectively enhances those areas to bring out hidden details.
So it's like having an AI noise filter that can magically reveal what was hidden in the shadows.
That's a great analogy. And there's also CLE diffusion,
CLE diffusion.
which gives editors even more control over lighting.
Wow.
It allows them to adjust the brightness and contrast of specific areas within an image, giving them the flexibility to create the perfect mood and atmosphere.
It's like having an AI lighting director that can manipulate light with incredible precision.
Exactly. And it's not just about low light enhancement.
Right.
AI is also being used to address challenges in underwater filmmaking,
Okay.
where footage often suffers from distortion and color imbalances.
That makes sense. Water is notoriously tricky to film in.
It is.
How does AI help with that?
AI algorithms can analyze underwater footage and automatically correct for distortion, enhance colors, and improve overall clarity.
So it's like having an AI scuba diver that captures those perfect underwater shots.
I love it.
Yeah.
And we can't forget about super resolution, a classic post-production need.
Right.
AI is now achieving remarkable results in upscaling images and videos to higher resolutions.
I've always been fascinated by those enhanced moments in movies where they zoom in on a blurry image and suddenly it's crystal clear.
Yeah.
Is that really possible with AI?
It is.
Yeah.
Techniques like SR3 developed by Google are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in super resolution.
Wow.
They use AI to add detail and sharpness that wasn't present in the original image,
Wow.
essentially making those enhanced moments a reality.
That's mind-blowing. But I'm guessing it's not a perfect solution for every scenario.
You're right, there are some caveats.
Okay.
AI-based super resolution methods excel at generating natural textures and structures.
Right.
Things like buildings and landscapes that are commonly found in training data sets.
Okay.
However, they can struggle with less common textures or fine details like text or intricate patterns.
So AI still needs a little help from human experts sometimes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a collaboration, not a replacement. And speaking of restoration, AI is becoming a vital tool for breathing new life into old films and photos.
It's like having an AI time machine for visual media.
I love it. And it's not just about restoring the past.
Right.
AI is also helping to improve the quality of modern footage.
Okay.
It can reduce blur, stabilize shaky footage, and even correct for lens distortion.
So it's like having an AI film crew that makes sure every shot is perfect?
Well, almost.
Okay.
And then there's inpainting, which is basically the art of digitally filling in missing or damaged parts of an image.
I've seen that used to remove unwanted objects from photos.
Right.
But how is AI changing the game for inpainting?
AI is making inpainting more sophisticated and creative.
Okay.
Instead of just filling in the missing areas with a uniform texture,
Right.
AI can analyze the surrounding content and generate realistic textures and patterns that seamlessly blend with the existing image.
It's like having an AI artist that can seamlessly blend in those missing pieces.
Exactly. And AI is also being used for image fusion, which is the process of combining information from multiple images
Okay.
to create a single enhanced image.
Okay.
This is especially useful for tasks like creating high dynamic range images or merging images taken from different perspectives.
It's like having an AI photographer that captures the best of multiple shots.
Precisely. And we can't forget about the impact of AI on editing and visual effects, or VFX.
Right.
AI is making it easier to edit specific areas of images and videos,
Okay.
allowing for precise control over details like facial expressions and object movements.
That's fascinating. Can you give us some examples of AI-powered editing tools?
Sure. There are tools like Face Poke, which lets you manipulate facial features in real time,
Wow.
and Motion I2V, which provides motion blur and motion drag tools for adding dynamic effects to images.
Wow, it's like having an AI animator at your fingertips.
It is.
We've covered a lot of ground in the world of AI.
We have.
From creating stunning visuals
Right.
to analyzing audience reactions and even enhancing the post-production process.
It's amazing.
Where do we go from here?
Well, the journey of AI is far from over. In the final part of our deep dive, we'll explore the future of AI and how it might continue to shape the creative landscape.
Okay.
Get ready for some mind-bending possibilities.
Okay, I'm ready for those mind-bending possibilities. It feels like we've only just scratched the surface of what AI can do.
We definitely have. And one of the most exciting areas where AI is pushing boundaries is in the realm of augmented, virtual, and mixed reality, or AR, VR, and MR.
Those are some serious buzzwords, but I have to admit, I'm not entirely sure I understand the difference between them.
It's easy to get them mixed up. Think of it this way. AR overlays digital content onto the real world, like those Pokemon Go characters you see through your phone.
Right.
VR creates completely immersive digital environments, like those headsets that transport you to a different world.
Okay.
And MR blends the real and virtual worlds, allowing you to interact with digital objects in your physical space.
Okay, that makes sense. So where does AI fit into all of this?
AI is the key to making these immersive experiences truly believable and engaging. To create those realistic virtual worlds, you need a lot of 3D content. Objects, environments, characters, and generating that content manually can be incredibly time-consuming.
Right.
That's where AI comes in.
So AI is like the world builder for these virtual realms.
Exactly. We're seeing AI being used to generate 3D models from 2D images, create realistic animations from minimal input data, and even enhance the lighting and physics of virtual environments.
It sounds like AI is taking on the heavy lifting of 3D content creation, freeing up developers and artists to focus on the more creative aspects.
That's the beauty of it. AI is becoming a powerful tool for collaboration, empowering creators to push the boundaries of what's possible in AR, VR, MR experiences.
Can you give us some examples of AI-powered tools that are being used in this space?
Absolutely. There's Holodeck, which uses AI to generate 3D environments from text descriptions. You could literally type a magical forest with glowing mushrooms and talking animals, and have AI create a virtual space that matches your vision.
That's incredible. It's like having an AI storyteller that can build worlds with words.
Exactly. Then there's Real Fusion, which can create 3D objects from a single 2D image. Imagine taking a photo of your favorite coffee mug and then having AI transform it into a 3D model that you can interact with in a virtual environment.
It's like bringing everyday objects into a virtual world.
Precisely. And we can't forget about platforms like NVIDIA's Instant Nerf, which use AI to create photorealistic 3D scenes from a collection of 2D images. This technology is being used to capture real-world locations and objects in stunning detail, allowing you to virtually explore them from any angle.
Wow, the possibilities for virtual tourism and historical preservation are endless.
They really are. And the applications go beyond just entertainment. We're seeing AI-powered AR, VR, MR being used in education, healthcare, architecture, and even military training.
It's amazing to think about how AI is changing the way we learn, work, and experience the world around us. But let's shift gears for a moment and talk about a topic that might not seem as glamorous, but is equally important. Data compression.
Ah, yes, the unsung hero of the digital age.
Exactly. We're generating and consuming more data than ever before, which means data compression is becoming increasingly crucial.
It is, and luckily AI is stepping in with some ingenious solutions. Traditional compression methods rely on mathematical formulas to reduce file sizes, But AI is bringing a whole new level of intelligence to the game.
How so?
AI algorithms can analyze data and identify patterns that can be exploited to reduce file sizes without sacrificing quality. It's like having an AI detective that can spot redundancies and inefficiencies that humans might miss.
So AI is making our digital lives more efficient by streamlining our data.
Exactly. And this has implications for everything from streaming services, where AI can deliver high-quality video with less buffering, to cloud storage, where AI can help us store more data in the same amount of space.
It's fascinating how AI is working behind the scenes to optimize our digital experiences. But before we wrap up, I want to touch on one more area where AI is making a significant impact: visual quality assessment.
Ah, yes. The art of judging how good something looks.
Exactly. And it's not just about subjective opinions anymore. AI is becoming increasingly adept at analyzing images and videos and providing objective assessments of their visual quality.
That's right. AI algorithms can now identify factors that contribute to perceived quality things like sharpness, color accuracy, contrast, and noise levels.
So AI is like a digital art critic that can provide valuable feedback to photographers, filmmakers, and even everyday users.
You could say that. And this technology has implications for a wide range of applications, from optimizing image settings on our smartphones to ensuring the highest quality visuals in professional productions.
It's incredible to think about how AI is now able to judge the aesthetic quality of visual content. It's like we've given AI a sense of taste.
It really is a testament to the power of AI to learn and adapt to complex tasks. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated applications in the realm of visual quality assessment.
It's clear that AI is transforming the creative landscape in ways we never could have imagined. From generating mind-blowing visuals to analyzing audience reactions and even judging aesthetic quality, AI is becoming an indispensable tool for creators across all industries.
I completely agree. It's an exciting time to be witnessing the convergence of AI and creativity.
So as we conclude this deep dive into the world of AI, what are some key takeaways for our listeners? What should they be thinking about as they navigate this rapidly evolving landscape?
First and foremost, I think it's important to remember that AI is not a replacement for human creativity. It's a powerful tool that can augment our abilities, streamline our workflows, and open up new possibilities.
It's about embracing the potential of AI to enhance our creative endeavors, not fearing that it will replace us.
Exactly. And secondly, it's crucial to stay curious and informed. The field of AI is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay updated on the latest advancements and to be open to exploring new ways of using AI in your own creative work.
It's about viewing AI as a partner in the creative process, constantly learning and growing together.
Precisely. And finally, I think it's important to approach AI with a sense of wonder and excitement. We're living in a time of unprecedented technological advancement, and AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we create, experience, and understand the world around us.
It's about embracing the unknown and seeing AI as a catalyst for innovation and artistic exploration.
Absolutely. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and it's up to us to harness its power to shape a more creative and inspiring world.
Well said. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of AI. It's been an enlightening and thought-provoking conversation.
It's been my pleasure.
And to our listeners, we hope this deep dive has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore the amazing world of AI. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.